What happens to your body if you practice Tai Chi every day? Is Tai Chi better than walking? Can Tai Chi actually improve balance, reduce stress, and even support longevity? These are some of the most searched Tai Chi questions on Google. Today, we're answering 200 of the most common Tai Chi questions people ask online. And joining me today is Dr. Chen, a wellness researcher and Tai Chi practitioner with over 30 years of experience studying the health benefits of Tai Chi. Dr. Chen, welcome.
Thank you, Sarah. Tai Chi is one of the most misunderstood yet powerful wellness practices in the world. Many people think it's just slow movement, but the truth is that Tai Chi affects balance, breathing, circulation, and even mental health. Today, I'm excited to answer the most common questions people ask about Tai Chi.
Let's start with beginner questions people search on Google. Question 1. What exactly is Tai Chi?
Tai Chi is a traditional Chinese movement practice combining slow motion exercise, breathing, and mindfulness to improve health and balance.
Question 2. Can beginners learn Tai Chi easily?
Yes. Tai Chi is one of the most beginner-friendly exercises because movements are gentle and adaptable.
Question 3. Is 20 minutes of Tai Chi enough?
Absolutely. Even 10 to 20 minutes daily can improve balance, flexibility, and mental calmness.
Question 4. Is Tai Chi better than walking?
Walking improves cardiovascular health, but Tai Chi adds balance training, coordination, and mindfulness.
Question 5. How long does it take to learn Tai Chi?
Basic movements can be learned in a few weeks, but mastering Tai Chi can take years.
Question 6. Can you learn Tai Chi at home?
Yes, many beginners start with online tutorials and simple daily routines.
Now, let's talk about health benefits. This is where many people get curious. So, does Tai Chi reduce stress?
Yes. Tai Chi activates the body's relaxation response through slow breathing and mindful movement.
Does Tai Chi help with balance?
Very much. Tai Chi strengthens stabilizing muscles and improves coordination. This is why doctors often recommend it for seniors.
Does Tai Chi help with sleep?
Yes. Practicing Tai Chi regularly helps reduce cortisol levels and improve sleep quality.
Does Tai Chi help with anxiety?
Yes, Tai Chi combines meditation and movement, which helps calm the nervous system.
What muscles does Tai Chi strengthen?
Primarily the legs, core, and stabilizing muscles that control posture and balance.
Now, let's answer some deeper questions people search online. Question: Is Tai Chi a martial art?
Yes, Tai Chi originally developed as an internal martial art, focusing on balance and controlled power.
Can Tai Chi improve longevity?
Research suggests Tai Chi improves cardiovascular health, balance, and stress management, all linked to longer life.
Does Tai Chi is safe for seniors?
Yes, it is considered one of the safest exercises for older adults.
Does Tai Chi improve posture?
Yes, the practice emphasizes spinal alignment and body awareness.
Does Tai Chi help with joint pain?
Gentle movement helps lubricate joints and reduce stiffness.
Dr. Chen, after answering so many questions today, what is the most important thing people should know about Tai Chi?
The most important thing is this: Tai Chi is not about perfection. It's about consistent, mindful movement. Just 10 minutes a day can improve balance, reduce stress, and support long-term health.
Thank you for sharing your knowledge today. If you enjoyed this episode and want to learn more about Tai Chi exercises for beginners, subscribe to Longevity Tai Chi for simple daily routines and wellness tips.